Future IT Vision. Today I will be showing you guys Java for Beginners Part 14 extended class for loops. Uh, Today topics about enhanced for loops. Basically, how enhanced for loop works. I will be show you. The enhanced for loops provide a simpler way to iterate through the elements of the collection of the array. So it says basically if you have collection of the array, how to iterate these things. Let's go guys, show you how to do that. So I already created for loops part 2 class. You guys know how to create it, and you guys know how to create and also create a main method. So now inside the main method I gonna go to that for loops. So in this case I'm gonna say it, I did not teach you guys array yet, but this is definition of the array also, so you guys also know what is the array. The next class I will show the array, but this is the I need this array because of this enhanced for loops. So now I'm gonna create a string array. When you say array, that is the index you have to provide over here, and equal second bracket, okay, and close the statement. The inside that you will provide your array list. So I'm going to provide like some, I say because I've said a string, so I'm going to put here string. So I'm going to provide here John team David. So I put here the name John, Trim, and David. So now those are the string array I already provided. So now if I go to, now I have to do for loops. I say for condition open, okay. After condition open, I say it over there. Yes, string string I, okay, and or I say array, this array, okay. The I is array, so second bracket, open it. Now I say print out sorry so print out I, okay. So I said over here array John, which is the team, this I, which is the array, system output lint I. So now if I print out this, you will see the list of the array, which is the array represent John, team, David. So over here I put the array, you can put here name, and you can put here name. What will be happen? I mean just changing purpose value, let's what happened. Still same. The name is the variable variable created for those are very, the John, team, David. That's how you use the string for use the enhanced for loops to print out the array list. How does it work? You have to understand what's going on here. We created the string name array, which is the John, team, David, and I say for loops string I, which is the name, system output lint I, okay. Or you can say here over here, let's see what happened. You say I equal name. This is the wrong syntax or not, you will understand. See, it's going to work. So now you have to use I is a name. So if I run this for loops, so this is how in his array work, for loops work. So you can add more if you want, just comma name you can use Roman, run it. It will be as much you can. Okay, and if you want to make some beautiful things, so you can say over here, double quotations and say it, this is the names, the names list. Okay, and you provide here little space because unit looks beautiful, and before that you can say plus. Okay, so what will happen? Plus basically print out this string value and this I value. You will see, guys. So this is the names list, John, Tim, David. So what you can do here, because this is the name, okay, run it. Okay, the how actually string work with loop for loops, which is init for loops. That's it for today, guys. For further video we can see the how that it work, and you'll understand more about for loops, also added too. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching Future Activation Java for